15 and relax. That's it. अब आप इसको आ जाओ tummy पे. On your tummy, place it on your forehead. Relax करो tummy पे. Hold and relax. Good. Now take your hand under the thighs. Arms under thighs. Yeah. Keep them like this. No, no. Just be there only like this. And now take one foot up. Take one chin. सीधे लगे यार ऐसे. Look, chin को आगे देखो. ऐसे ऊपर उठाना. शलभ आसना. Take it as high as possible. Good. आप उठा चलिए. Take it up. Hold it. Yeah. Keep hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Do it the other side. You can also fold this. Fold it from here and hold it. Try to keep it roll like this. Now, like this. Keep the knee straight. That's it. See if you can do it. No problem. Like this. Good. This is better. Hold it from here. वहाँ से पकड़ लो. Hold कर दो. इसको मोड़ दो. Keep it like this. 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now let's do it together. दोनों एक साथ. तीन ऊपर. तीन आगे. एक साथ कर दो दोनों पैरों को. एक साथ पैरों को एक साथ. Keep them down. Hold it. Both pose. Let's go up. Hold करें. Breathing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. Let's do one more time. Both the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Now fold your knee. This is the second last. Fold your knee. आगे आ जाओ. भुजंगासन में आ जाओ. And keep them folded. So keep it fold from here. Now let's come out. 1, 5 times. 1. Yes. 2. Good. Yes. 3. बहुत बढ़िया. Keep them folded. This is the last करना. Hold. 1. Hold. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and relax. Come down. वापस आ जाओ. Relax.